Hello everyone, what's going on guys? Welcome back to this another episode of our tutorial in Android game development series. So this is what you have done in the previous video if you follow and watch my previous tutorial. So we implement the collision detection for our enemy and players. So every time we are hit by the enemies, so we lose life, and you can see it in our console when the life goes to 0, so game over is printed. So now in what we are going to do within this video, I think it's time now to create another bullet. So okay, let me just try to run it again so we can see what we are going to do next. So you can see we have reduced the life and the game over, and it goes to 0, so game over is printed. So okay, so let us go to our entities and create bullets. So I will call this one bullets, and this one will be attached to our player. So this one will be bullets, so you can fire bullets to the stone sword or the asteroid. So and let's just extend the game object base. Okay, click OK, then available entities. Okay, we need to override the constructor, generate constructor, but we need to remove this one. Instead of calling instead of passing the parameter radius, we need to call the super constructor and pass the bounce radius. So let me just create the lagger. So again guys, I would like to remind you that maybe this video is not really dedicated for beginners, because I don't think so if beginners can really understand what I'm doing, but anyone is welcome to watch, or you can just retype the code what I did in this tutorial, so you can do exactly what I did in this tutorial. So if you don't understand what I am doing, so you cannot understand, so you can just message me in the comment or ask me a question in the my blog. So I will put the link to my blog, so you can leave a message there, so from your questions, and once I get back online I will respond to your questions. So I will also update and put this in my blog, so I will just put the link in the description below. So these bullets will handle or query some inputs. So it will query some inputs from our users, so whenever there are press of keys, we will fire our bullets to the asteroid. So but first let us just try to declare key. So this will be the int fire bullets. I will call this one fire bullets, and this will be input dot keys dot f. So this one. So and after that, so we need to override the update. So in update, so this again will take a position. So we need to position it to our player. So we need to attach it to the player body, so the bullets, and every time the key is pressed, so this one, we will generate random bullets only from the x-axis. So let me just try to grab the file. So okay, I have the UI coordinate system here, so you can really see what I mean. So we will only generate bullets from this direction to the x-axis, not in the y. Okay, so but first we need to declare boolean var key is key first. So I call this var key first was gdx that input key press. Then we need to pass our fire bullets, and we can check if fire bullets are keys press. Then we need to generate a random position, so we can declare a random position here. So float x, so because we will only generate random bullets from the x direction, so we can just declare the position. And okay, I will just call this one min x will be equal to the position will be the position of our player, so you can just call get x for now. So or you can say let's go first to our player and initialize bullets. So press, so we can go here, bullets, new bullets, and bullets that set y. Okay, bullets that set y, set position, so we can set position the bullets to be set position to get y. Okay, get x and get y. Okay, now we just need to copy this one okay, below. So whenever there are some press, you can just call that method, and the minimum that he will be responded is from the center of our player. And because we don't have a player here, so we can even declare a player here, but I think this is enough. And load max x will be equal to k infinity. This should be world width, so or world center x. So our bullets will be half of our screen, so there is a limitation that our bullets can go. So it is half of our screen because for center x, so you can see we divide our world width, so it is basically a half of our screen. Now let me try to. Okay, so we need to position our. We need to declare another bullet x position. So I will just call this one x position to be equal to math utils that random. So this one we can generate a random position to this position. So min x and max x, and we can but of course we need to create an array of bullets before we can use this one, so maybe that is in the next video. So we can call this set x. So if there is a key press, we can just call the set x to get x plus x position. So we will generate a random value so between these positions. So now we can go to our game screen, so we can declare another array, and let us declare it right here. So private final array, types will be bullets, and will be okay, this should be array bullets array equals new array of bullets. Okay, I think this time will be okay. We need to declare another pool, so that will pull our bullets, but this one will be bullets pool, and this one will take the bullets as tag. And if I will initialize the bullets, but if we just copy this one and rename, okay, so rename to bullet, so it should be bullets pool, then yes, the bullets pool. And once I already done that, let us go and go to the create enemies. So we need to have a starting position, or okay, I think we have done a mistake from this one, so we should transfer this one. If there's a party press, it try to plus speed, we need to have the speed, so I think we only need the speed. Private float x speed, so we will use the same maybe bullet speed. We can go to our game config and create another variable. This will be our bullet speed. So I think this video will become long, so bullet speed, and this will be somewhere around in 25, and get back to the bullet speed, assign, go to the update, and I think we will only check if there is a key press, then we will set x and we will plus the x speed, because we only want to generate this into the x speed. So now let's remove this one. It should not be x position but x speed. Now get back to our game screen, copy, or I will just now I will just go here, and we need to create again private void create bullets array. We need to create this one over delta time, so we need to pass delta time, and in this method we will not declare time, because we will just query some input and then we will fire the bullets. So after that, declare the position, so this will be the player that get x, so this we will generate it from the position of the player, and we need to position our bullets so that we don't have a time, and we need to declare bullets here, so bullets equals bullets full that obtain, and bullets that set position, okay, position to okay, we can say get x, but we cannot call player that get x, so then we need to pass the okay, so we can just in x we can just pass the x position, and in Y we can just call the get Y. Okay, so bullet exposition, so the bullets will be positioned to the menu X, so this will be then the max, then the Y. So now after that we can now call the array, so bullets array that add value with the bullets, so bullets. Now we need to call, or we need to create another method here that will update as the bullets. So okay, private void update, we call this update bullets, because we also need to remove our bullets when he reaches to the width that we set up. So delta, okay, delta. I'm sorry for this, the video is becoming long now, so I think I will continue this in the next tutorial. So we can just call the we can just, first we need to loop our bullets for bullets inside of bullets array. Need to update the bullets that update, so our bullets will be updated, and we need to create delta, and we need to call these bullets in the update. So bullets, okay, create array of bullets over delta, and let's go to our renderer, so render shape renderer, so another loop. So we need to loop inside of our array bullets, inside of our bullets array, then we need to call the bullets that render, debug will be shape renderer. Okay, now let's try to test if you can see a bullets there. Oh my god, so even if there is no input, so our bullet is pointing to the, so this is what we are going to fix in the next tutorial, guys. So thanks for watching, I hope to see you in the next tutorial, so bye for now.